Hello students, welcome back in maths lesson. Today we are going to learn about probability. Let us start with change or likelihood. Change or likelihood is a possibility of something happen or occur. We call something happen as an event. These are some kinds of events. Are the events are possible or impossible? Let us see these events. The sun rises in the west. This is impossible event because as we know the sun rises in the east. There are 8 days in a week. This is also impossible because there are only 7 days in a week. The color of Indonesian flag is yellow, red, and white. This is also impossible because the color of Indonesian flag is red and white. I will choose black pen from some red pens and blue pens. This is impossible because there are only red pens and blue pens. There are no black pens given. Kenzie will study in a college tomorrow. This is impossible because Kenzie is still in primary 5. So, what is impossible event? Impossible event is an event that has no change to occur. Are there another possibilities? Yes, there are. They are certain, likely, equally likely, unlikely. Let us start with certain. Certain is an event that is really occur and nothing could ever change it. For example, Miss Joyce is a woman. The earth is round. The seawater is salty. My phone number is made of whole numbers. I choose a dress with pattern from some polka dot dress and striped dress. Likely. Likely event is an event with a good chance to occur. Unlikely event is an event with a poor chance to occur. Look at this fortune wheel. There are 3 teddy bears and 2 unicorns. If you spin the pointer, it will has a big opportunity that the pointer will land on teddy bear because there are more teddy bears than unicorns. So, the pointer of the spinner is likely to land on teddy bear, while the pointer of the spinner is unlikely to land on unicorn. For example, there are 12 red beads and 17 yellow beads. You now will pick one of the bead. Okay, there are 12 red beads and 17 yellow beads. Which one is more? Yellow beads are more than red beads. So, the opportunity of Yuna will pick yellow beads is bigger than the opportunity of Yuna will pick red beads. So, the likelihood of Yuna will pick red beads is unlikely, while the likelihood of Yuna will pick yellow bead is likely. What about Yuna will pick a black bead? Is there black bead mentioned there? There is no black bead mentioned there. So, the likelihood is impossible. Yuna will pick a color bead. This is certain because all the beads have color. They are red and yellow. Now we are going to talk about equally likely. Equally likely event is an event with an even change to occur. For example, there are 14 girls and 40 boys in class 5C. Miss Joyce will choose a student to be a leader. There are 14 girls and 14 boys. The number of girls are equal with the number of boys. So, Miss Joyce is as equally likely to choose a girl as it is to choose a boy to be a leader because the number of girls are equal with the number of boys. Okay, take a look at the spinner. The spinner is divided into 6 equal parts and have numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are going to find the likelihood of these events. The first, the pointer will land on 2. There is only 1, 2 on the spinner. So, the likelihood is unlikely because number 2 is less than the other number. the pointer will land on numbers smaller than 7. As we can see, all the numbers on the spinner are smaller than 7. So, the likelihood is certain. The pointer will land on an even number. How many even numbers are there on the spinner? There are 3. How many numbers are not even? There are 3. The number of even numbers are equal with the number of odd numbers. So, the likelihood is equally likely. The pointer will land on a number smaller than 5. How many numbers are smaller than 5? There are 4 numbers. The number that are smaller than 5 is more than the number that is bigger than 5. So, the likelihood is likely. The last even. The pointer will land on a number greater than 6. As we can see, all the numbers are smaller or equal with 6. There is no number greater than 6. So, the likelihood is impossible. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.